So, traders, I know it's been a while since you guys saw my face, or let me just say, it's been a minute since I had to share trade breakdown videos. But today, I have a special video for you guys. If you stick around till the end of the video, I want to assure you on one thing. You will gain all the knowledge and you will gain all the experience, and far most importantly, you will take You'll take all the gems that you need so you can go out there and capitalize independently in the Forex markets without relying on anyone, including myself. Well, the support Harlem, King COT, and we back with another video. So today will be a very special video. I know it's been a minute since I shared trade breakdown videos. I know it and I get it, but we back again at it. And today I want to share with you guys a special video that we have cooked up based on two trades that we took. Let me not say two trades, actually. Let me just say two setups that we took using the very same zone that we used or that we worked on to get this setups or to use or to win this setups. But before I share the video and before I break down this wonderful gems to you guys, make sure you sign up with the broker that we trade with. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click this link. Make sure you click the link and share the video so someone can learn, so someone can gain the knowledge, and so someone can be 1% better like they're destined to be. And if you want to be part of our COT Academy team, we're having 3 exclusive mentorship services. You can choose which do you prefer and which do you want to work with, and let COT Academy do the rest from there. But without further ado, guys, let me give you guys these gems, let me grow your knowledge, and let me make you be 1% better like you're destined to be, and far most importantly, be professional and profitable. So, guys, we are going to start on the NASDAQ because it's actually 4 setups that we took. Two setups on NAS, 2 on USD CAD, right? I'm gonna make a part 1 and I'm gonna make a part 2 just to show you guys the equivalency of using what you understand or using what the market is showing you or working on what the market is showing you. Don't do anything apart from what the market is showing you. You can understand how to trade or you can understand the basics of Forex, but the only way to win trades is to do what the market is showing you, right? So let's break down this video and let me make you guys sweat. So those are the two setups. Those are the two trades that we took, right? That's the first one, and this is the second one. And when you see, guys, you can clearly see that we worked on one zone, right? One by zone, right? So let's start on this setup. So this setup was took based on something simple break and retest, right? So when you remember, guys, that our previous weekly trading outlook for, I think it was for I think the 14th, I think from the 14th or the 15th, I'm just not sure, of October, we shared that okay, price has support, price has resistance, and price has support. And the only way that we can put our money to work on the NAS was mainly based on two things. Are we gonna get a break above to continue bullish, or are we gonna get a break below to be bearish, right? Or if we don't get a break above or below, we're simply gonna trade support. We're simply gonna trade support and resistance. So when you look at this, you can clearly see that without me having to say much or without me having to break down much, we waited for obviously for price to give us a break above if we're looking to continue, or for price to give us a fail to violate our resistance to look for the possible reversal, right? So on Monday, the 14th of October, on Monday, we did share that okay, price now has this rejection candlestick. This rejection candlestick that did what? That violated our highs, right? Well, let me just say this rejection candlestick took our highs out, right? This was one of the first confirmations, one of the first signs that we were going to put our money to work on the NAS, right? Price has this rejection candlestick, which had a bullish open, but obviously left a wick and had a small body close, but still closed bullish, right? And when you look at the coming candlestick, price simply had a full bullish candlestick close. So right here, we now understood that, okay, in order for us to take our continuation bias, price has to violate or break above our resistance. And when you look at it, price rejected the first candlestick and price had a bullish candlestick close above our resistance. And obviously, once price said this is when we put our money to work during this candlestick. We anticipated those continuation moves to the upside. And when you look at it, price triggered price had a triggered price triggered us in this trade, and obviously TP was hit. We could have went obviously for a longer move, but TP was TP, right? We set TP on 63 pips and price set TP on 63 pips and we're out, right? So coming back on our second setup, right? We now understood that okay, price is looking bearish based on what this engulfing candlestick, and price had this violation, right? And price had a retest above and price had a continuation to the downside. So once price had a continuation, and when we start seeing price having this push phase and this exhaustion phase and this continuation push phase, we understood that obviously if we want to put our money to work, this was our pre-London session move, right? We understood that if we want to put our money to work, can we at least put our money to work during our London session, not pre-London session, right? Because we've never traded before London session, but we have traded before the New York. That's the difference that people don't get, right? So we said obviously we want to trade obviously on our London session, and obviously when you look at this, price gave us this candlestick that broke above our support, one of the first signs, and then price gave us an engulfing candlestick that pushed to the upside. So from a break above support and a bullish engulfing candlestick above support, this was obviously two confirmations, and then three was once this candlestick had a full body close above our resistance. Based on our previous history, once price has a break above this very same zone, price just impulsively continues to the upside. Coming back here, once price hit this break above, you can clearly see that price just obviously did one thing. Price hit TP and that was it. So I want to make you guys understand that if price has printed out resistance and price trades above resistance, there's a high possibility that price will continue moving above resistance because we're no more below. Once we're below, price gives us those bear moves. Once we're above, price gives us those bull moves, right? So based on those trades, price was trading above resistance. That's the catch, right? Price was trading above resistance, and we took trades based on bullish momentum candlestick, not just to take trades for fun because price is above. We waited for momentum to step in the charts so we can put our money to work. The first setup, this was our momentum candlestick. The second setup, this was our momentum candlestick. So before we take a trade, you can clearly see that we wait for momentum before we can put our money to work. That's also the catch. The first catch is if price is above resistance, we somehow, shape or form, price will continue moving above that zone because price is above. The second catch is we wait for momentum candlesticks to confirm our entries because price is above resistance. And once price is above resistance, once we see those bullish momentum candlestick, that's when we put our money to work. Once that candlestick has a candlestick close. Do you guys get that? So that's the video that I wanted to share with you guys. That's the gems that I wanted to break down to you guys based on using one simple zone to put your money to work on the forex markets, right? Prices above a certain zone, we look for continuation. Prices below a certain zone, we look for continuation. But the catch is we wait for momentum before we can anticipate continuations. Many traders don't do that. That's why they get stopped out before price moves in their direction. But when you see how we do it in the COT Academy team, it's pure, it's clean, and it's far most importantly, pure, like cocaine in the 80s. Do you guys get that? So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you stick that around till the end of the video, those are the gems that I wanted to give you guys. The catch is once price gives us a momentum above resistance, that's when we put our money to work. If we don't get momentum, we don't put our money to work. But in simple terms, if price is above resistance and if price gives us a momentum candlestick above resistance, that's when we put our money to work. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel, share the video, do all that you have to do. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem. Hope you stay blessed by the best, and I'm gonna catch you guys on part two.